Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers a great song from the early 70s called Rock Me Gently. It was written and performed by Andy Kim. Rock Me Gently peaked at number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100 in September of 1974. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button as I do try to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, you might actually like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. So, let's get to the tutorial. We're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, then we're going to perform the cover. Afterwards, what we're going to do is we're going to go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So, if you want to learn a great song from the early 70s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, this song is super easy to play, and the reason for that is there's only 3 chords. Let's have a closer look at them now. The first chord that you're going to need to know is a C major. I use an F C chord as well. You may choose to bar this and use a barred F chord. That will work as well. The last one that you're going to need to know is a G major. Very easy G major chord. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. All right, let's get to the cover.
Ain't it right that you are with me here tonight? The music playing, our bodies swaying in time, touching you so warm and tender. Lord, I feel such a sweet surrender. Beautiful is a dream that makes you mine. Rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy, don't you know I have never been loved like this before. Baby, baby, rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy, don't you know that I have never been loved like this before. Oh my darling, oh my baby, you've got the moves that drive me crazy, and in your face I see a trace of love. Come hold me close, don't let me go, I need you honey, I love you so. You were made for me by the stars above. Rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy, don't you know I have never been loved like this before. Baby, baby, rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy, don't you know I have never been loved like this before. Rock me gently, rock slowly, take it easy. Don't you know I have never been loved like this before? Ain't it good? Ain't it right that you are with me here tonight? Rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy. Don't you know I have never been loved like this before? Rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy. Don't you know I have never been loved like this before?
Ain't it good? Ain't it right that you are with me here tonight? The music playing, our bodies swaying in time, touching you so warm and tender. Lord, I feel such a sweet surrender. Beautiful is the dream that makes you mine. Rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy. Don't you know that I have never been loved like this before? Baby, baby, rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy. Don't you know that I have never been loved like this before? And that's it. That gets you through the majority of this song. It just repeats again for the second verse. Now there is a little bit of a bridge that I'm going to show you next, as well as that intro that I throw in that really helps kind of set up the song and makes it very, very easy to identify. Let's have a closer look at both of those. Okay, the bridge is very similar to the chorus. What we'll do is I'll show you how to play that bridge, and then it just transitions right into the chorus. Here we go. Ain't it good, ain't it right that you are with me here tonight? Rock me gently, rock me slowly, take it easy. Don't you know that I have never been loved like this before? That's that bridge. Let's have a closer look at that intro. Okay, that opening riff, it's actually played by the bass guitar on the original song, but we can certainly convert it to a guitar version. So let's have a closer look. It basically starts on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and that's a C. So, then you jump to the 3rd string, which is the G string, and it's open. You go to the 5th fret of the 3rd string, which is also a C note, down 1 fret to the 4th, to a B, then down to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, which is an A, to the 4th string, 3rd fret, which is an F, and then back again to the C on the 5th string, 3rd fret. So, slow down. just like that. Very, very easy to play. There you have it. We're done. We've just reviewed Andy Kim's Rock Me Gently from 1974. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, again, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.